Hey folks, Jim from Salvinos J R Models, and I just got a new delivery from the good folks in the brown trucks. It is Ryan Blaney's Menards from his win at New Hampshire. So let's take a look and see what's inside that box. I'm dying to see how these green decals are going to look on that fluorescent yellow body. So let's open the box and take a look. Okay, so here we go. Ryan Blaney's 2025 Ford Mustang with the fluorescent yellow. Oh man, that's bright. Bright yellow, and I want to see those green decals in there. So here is our tree of glass parts. And boy, that is some I'm not going to say what color that looks like, but that is some bright yellow. Woohoo! Okay, I must be special. Nope, nope. There's a reason why there's two separate hoods. Ah, that's why. Because you're going to use this hood and these exhaust pants here. This is what you're going to use. But you need this one because you need the dash and the spoiler and the air boot. So there you go. The snorkel. Do they call it the snorkel? No. Yeah, I think they call it the snorkel. Anyway, there is that bright yellow car. I think I'd probably be inclined to paint it white on the inside just so that it gives it a little bit more of an opaque look to it. So nice. Okay, round and squishy things are indeed round and squishy. Do I really need to open this bag? I don't think so. You guys have seen them over and over. And if you want to, there's plenty of videos on what's in this bag of your underwing parts and your engine parts and your frame parts. And if you haven't seen it, watch the Oops video. It'll show you a couple little tweaks you want to do on a couple parts to make everything go together just a little bit better. And of course, as I say quite often, do not use super glue to put your kits together. This is styrene plastic. You don't want super glue. You want the stuff that's going to dissolve the plastic so it can fit together and it can glue together and hold together good and solid. And there's a couple of places where there's a little more plastic than you really need. So having that to dissolve things is a good thing. So there is our placement sheet for where you're going to put your fluorescent green decals. Let's see, there is our, ooh, I was expecting that to be the black sheet. And there you go. There's your hood, and I'm assuming those are the right front fender. I think that's the rear. Let me see. Yeah, that's the front fenders, the hood, and the rear bumper. There you go for that. Okay. Now here is your black tree, so it gives you the generic Ford bumper, grill, windshield, back bumper, tail lights, etc. So you're going to use that. Put those there. There's another sheet for that. And there are the decals for the rest. So you're going to put those green. Dig that back out. So you're going to lay down that green on the front quarter panels, the back bumper, and the hood, and then you are going to come back and you are going to lay on the Libman decal, and you can see where it's split. So that's on the hood, and those are going to be on the quarter panels. Okay, there you go. Beautiful job done by Mr. Clay Kemp as usual. So there you go. That's quite a sheet of decals. Love it, and it's got the championship playoff window front windshield name thingy. So there you go. Looks great, Mr. Kemp. Looks great. So there you go. There's the Ryan Blaney's win in New Hampshire for his bid for the 2025 championship. cool looking car, cool looking decal sheet. So anyway, those are shipping. I believe they are shipping now. If not, it's going to be within the next couple days. So if you've placed your order, it should be going. You should be getting those really quick. Rick Salvino and myself would like to thank you for buying and building Salvinos J R Models. And hey, keep an eye on our web store, because we're making changes, we're adding stuff. Not only are we getting updated on whatever the new kits are that are for December and what's going to be coming up for January, but we're also building up our store with our supplies, our paints, our tools, our brushes, etc. And we're also building up a store of my 3D printed accessory parts. So you'll be able to get all of those. Anything you need is going to be there, nice and convenient, one-stop shop. So you'll be able to buy a kit, buy an assembly jig if you want one, if you don't have one of those. Buy some accessory parts, some driver figures or crew figures or whatever you want. Get your paints, extra stuff, your paints, your brushes, your knives, stuff like that are all going to be there. And for those of you who are in the Temecula, California direction, they should be opening. They are in the process of moving into a retail space that's going to be their office, and it's where all of their daily shipping and stuff is going to be going on anyway. And they will also have, during normal work hours, they are going to be having a retail store. So if you want to come in and shop for some kits and parts and stuff like that, and meet the boys, that will be up and running before too long. So probably January, I would expect, because they've got lots and lots of stuff going on. So anyway, we're just progressing on in California with the company, and me here in Texas. I'm doing what I can do, like do these videos and stuff, and do the Saturday morning video on YouTube. Come join us here on YouTube if you can. And for the Builders Club, check out the club. If you're not a member, if you know what it is, you know what it is. But if you're not a member, it's a kit of the month. I think this Blaney may be the kit for December. I may be wrong, but I'm not sure. But you get the kit of the month, like everybody in the club. You get access to our Tuesday night live video. You get all your kits at a discount price. You can add on kits at discount prices, and it's free shipping on extra kits. The club is really a cool deal. So anyway, if you ordered, it should be on its way very quickly. I know there's some other stuff that is going out soon, so we're just plugging along and giving you more and more stuff to build. And you know, I'm not a builder. I design them, but this is one that has really had me itching to do, because it's just such a cool looking car. I may have to do it. It's not going to be the quality you builders do, but it's something that I want to do because it's just kind of cool. So anyway, guys, thank you again for building and buying Salvinos J R Models. Check us out on the web store. Check us out on Facebook, and I'll be back at you in a short time with another video on whatever next comes in. So out of here for this afternoon.